Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Water at the base of the toilet may not be a leak when there's a discrepancy between the temperature of the water inside the toilet tank and the air outside. Your tank may have cold sweats. Before disassembling your toilet, looking for a loose or worn-out part, check if condensation is the real culprit. 18 August 2017.
Take our lead.
It requires no maintenance and can last 30 or more years, often as long as the toilet itself. But sometimes wax rings can dry out, crumble, and fail prematurely. When that happens, they need to be replaced. The telltale sign of wax ring failure is water leaking out from around the base of the toilet.
Take our lead.
One reason for a toilet leak from the base might be a loose connection where the tank meets the toilet. Check the connecting bolts. If water gathers in the area, move on to replacing the bolts and washers. Shut off the water at the valve, then flush and hold the handle until all the water has drained from the tank.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The most common cause of a leaking toilet tank is when the flapper fails to seat properly and form a tight seal against the valve seat. This lets water leak from the tank into the bowl. It may be caused by the flapper being out of position. If the water level has fallen below your mark, the flush valve is leaking.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.